How to update your profile information in UnoCoin application. Are you guys facing issues to update your profile information in UnoCoin? If that's so, then this video might help you out. Without further ado, let's get started. To update your profile information on UnoCoin, open the app and log in into your account. From the home screen, tap on More at the bottom right, then select Profile. Here you will see your basic details like name, email, phone number, and address. Tap on the field you want to update. For example, if you want to change your address or email, just edit the information and tap Save. Some changes like mobile number or PAN details may require additional verification or documents. After submitting the update, wait for UnoCoin to review and approve it. Once verified, your profile will be updated and reflected across your account. And that's it, guys. That's how you're gonna update your profile information in UnoCoin. If you guys found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I'll catch you up in the next one. Bye bye.